Hello everyone, welcome to this math video. We have a total of 900 books. So this will be my total number of books in the library. 300 books are non-fiction. Find the percentage of non-fiction books. So for part A, okay, so for this, we would need to have percentage of non-fiction books. There are 300 of them, so 300 out of 960 times 100%, and I would arrive at the answer for this would be 31.25%. Done. For part B, the percentage of fiction books then would be simply, since altogether we have either non-fiction books and fiction books and they all add up to 100%, if 31.25% are for non-fiction books, then all I have to do is simply using 100% minus of the percentage of non-fiction books, and I will get my percentage for fiction books. With that, we have come to the end of this part of the question. Let's move on to the next question.